You're not alone. Today I'll show you 5 real AI tools I use to make over $100 a day from home, and how you can copy my exact steps. No experience, no coding, no expensive software. Just AI, Wi-Fi, and a little action. Tool 5, AISEO.ai. A lesser known but powerful AI for creating high-ranking SEO content fast. It even helps rewrite content in a human tone to beat AI detection. Make money like this. 1. Use AISEO to write product reviews or top 10 articles. 2. Post them to a free blog or Medium. 3. Monetize with affiliate marketing from sites like Amazon or Impact.com. 4. Add images and links, and you're done. Some blogs earn $2 to $10 per day passively after one good post goes viral. Tool 4. Fleeky.ai. This AI tool creates faceless videos from just text. You type in a script, choose a voice, and Fleeky turns it into a full YouTube short, reel, or TikTok. Here's how to make money with it. 1. Start a faceless YouTube channel. 2. Use any AI model to generate script about trending video ideas. 3. Paste your script into Fleeky, pick a voice and style. 4. Upload to YouTube Shorts with affiliate links or AdSense. It takes 10 minutes to create a video. One of my Fleeky videos made $15 in a day from just affiliate clicks. Tool 3. Descript.com. The AI-powered video editor that edits like a doc. Perfect for podcast editors, YouTubers, and clients who want short-form content. Here's how to turn it into cash. 1. Download Descript and upload a podcast or video. 2. It transcribes everything instantly. 3. You can cut content just by deleting words from the transcript. 5. Offer a service. I will turn your podcast into TikToks or YouTube Shorts. Charge $30 to $100 per episode and let Descript do 90% of the work. Tool 2, Gigpig.ai. This is your personal AI client finder. It helps freelancers like you find high-paying gigs instantly. Here's what to do. 1. Go to Gigpig.ai and sign in with Google. 2. Choose a category like AI content writing or video editing. 3. It pulls live gigs from Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and even Reddit. 4. Use AI to fulfill those gigs using tools like ChatGPT or Canva. This removes the hardest part, finding clients. I landed my first $80 project through Gigpig in under 20 minutes. Tool 1, KoalaWriter.com, a powerful AI blogging tool. This tool writes full SEO, optimized blog posts in minutes. Here's how to make money with it. 1. Go to Koala Writer and start a free trial. Type a blog topic like best AI tools for students. 3. It writes a full blog post, intro, body, conclusion, with links and structure. 4. Copy and paste that blog post to your Medium.com account. 5. Join the Medium Partner Program to get paid for views. If you write one article a day, you can easily earn $5 to $20 per day just from read. AI isn't the future, it's the now, and these tools are making real people real money every day. Pick one, follow the steps, and start earning from home today.